You said someday we'll find our place. I said, yeah, where the sea holds space. You're brown-eyed, bold, sharp with grace. I'm green-eyed, lost, but you ground my pace. From Vegas nights to Aston Rain, we touch through screens, but I feel no strain. You hold me down with that poet's fire, and I burn for you with the desert desire. Come on, still will on one name. Two hearts, one flame. No games. You on cobblestone, boots laced tight, speaking verses, move like light. Me, I'm haze and strip lights in, but you see the soul that hides within. You don't smoke now, you clear the air. I'm cloud and spark, but you still care. Every call's like a thread we spin, a love sewn deep beneath our skin. From Vegas nights to Aston Rain, we touch through screens, but I feel no strain. You hold me down with that poet's fire, and I burn for you with the desert desire. One day, Alaska Nova our name. One flame, no games. You sip tea, I like sage. You write truth, I flip the page. You're rain and rhythm, ink and steel. I'm the heat that makes it real. Valley waits on a distant shore, but I love you now, I couldn't love you more. From Vegas nights to Aston Rain, we've kissed in words, we've prayed through pain. And when that valley sun sets low, I'll hold your hand, never let go. Yeah, Vegas nights, dreaming you into my lifestyle. Yeah.